Hi students, so today I'm going to show you guys how to solve any simultaneous equation into unknowns in under 5 minutes. That's right, you heard me. Let's continue watching. So here is a typical example of a simultaneous equation involving two unknowns, x and y. Now, usually you can apply the elimination method or you can apply the substitution method. It's up to you. But here's a nice, simple trick for figuring out the value of x. Let's go. So since we want to find the value of x, we're going to start where we have our first y value in our first equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually use that value and begin a cross multiplication. So first we're going to say 4 multiplied by -8. Then we're going to subtract 3 multiplied by -3. Notice we're using the coefficients present. Then we're going to create a denominator. And our denominator is also going to be a simple cross multiplication, like this. Starting once again at that same value, we're going to cross in a different direction this time. So we're going to multiply 4 by 2 and then subtract 5 by -3. And we're done. Pretty much that's it. Let's just work out our value on top. So we have 4 by -8 gives us -32. And then we have -3 multiplied by -3, that's +9 on our numerator. And our denominator gives us 8. That's a negative sign here. So that's 5 3s are 15. And that cleans up to give us a good old answer of that's -23/23. Therefore, x was found to be 1. You can play this video again and you can calculate how long I took to work out that value of x. And you can actually double check my answer. That's going to be a negative. You can double check my answer and use the simultaneous or elimination method, and you'll see that they are essentially the same. Now, once you have a solution for x, of course, you can simply take this value and you can substitute it into any one of your equations to find a value for y. So I'm going to show you guys one more time that trick just to highlight it. Okay. So looking at another example, let's just say we were given 2x plus y equals 3, and then we had 3x minus 2y equals 1. Now I can already see we have an isolated variable, so a substitution method would be perfect for this. But we're going to use our trick. On your mark, get set, let's set up shop. So once again, since we are finding for x, we're going to start from that first coefficient of y present in our equation 1. And our coefficient present is understood to be 1. So starting from here, we're going to cross multiply in this direction. So we'll get 1 multiplied by 1, subtract 3 multiplied by -2. We're done. Now time for the denominator. Starting again from 1, we're going to multiply 1 by 3. And then we're going to subtract 2 multiplied by -2. And we're done. Let's just calculate those values. On the numerator, we'll get 1 plus 6. And on our denominator, we'll get 3 plus 4. That gives us a value of 7/7, or x is equal to 1. And then we can simply take this value, we can substitute it into either equation 1 or 2, the choice is yours, and you will find a subsequent value for your y. And that's it, guys. That's how you can solve any simultaneous equation in less than 5 minutes once you have two unknowns. I look forward to seeing you guys next video, and I hope that you are using your time wisely. I know exams are around the corner, and I wish you guys all the best. Take care. Bye.